This video shows how to do VW AUDI VL381 0AW Gearbox clone. You can click Help document to check the connection diagrams. Check the accessories we need. Install the interface board. Short circuit CAN resistor on the OBP-ICP adapter to the CAN2R drain side. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose VW. Choose Gearbox clone. Choose AUDI. Choose VL381 0AW. Choose Full Backup. Confirm that the ACDP device is connected to the gearbox and click OK. Confirm the gearbox model is VL381. Click Continue. Ready to backup chip state. Click OK. Please save the chip date. Click OK. This is the file storage path. Please note that the file name contains the gearbox model and the operation time. Backup chip date finished. Connect to the new VL381 0AW gearbox. Choose Full Right. Confirm the ACDP device is connected to the new gearbox. Confirm the new gearbox model is also VL381. Please select a chip state. Choose the chip state file that we saved in the previous step. Write date finished. Thank you for watching.